Hey everyone, I'm Siavash. In this quick Unreal Engine tip, I want to show you a Nanite issue that can happen with some static mesh assets. Sometimes when you enable Nanite on asset, it looks fine up close, but when you move the camera further away, some parts of the mesh can become dark, broken, or show black artifacts, especially under directional light or strong sunlight. A lot of people fix this by simply disabling Nanite on that asset. That works visually, but then you lose the benefits of using Nanite. So before turning Nanite off, try this. First, select the problematic static mesh and open the static mesh asset. Then go to the Nanite settings section. Here, look for max edge length factor. By default, this is usually set to 0. For some assets, especially soft or detailed mesh like sofas, fabric, cloth, or curved furniture like this one, Nanite may simplify the mesh too aggressively at distance. That can create black artifacts, broken shading, or unstable looking surfaces. So what I usually test first is changing max edge length factor from 0 to 1. Then click apply change, save the asset and test it again in the level. In many cases, this keeps the Nanite detail more stable from distance and fix the black artifacts issue without disabling Nanite. If 1 is not enough, you can test 2 or 5, but don't increase the value for every mesh in the scene. Use it only on the problematic assets, because higher values can increase the Nanite cost and affect performance. Another thing to keep in mind, this is not the only possible cause, because sometimes the issue can come from the mesh normals, smoothing group, material normals maps, shadow setting, or mesh itself. You can also check your directional light setting, especially ray trace shadow. In some cases, disabling ray trace shadow or using virtual shadow map can help with the Nanite shadow artifacts. And if your scene is heavy, you may also need to increase the Nanite streaming budget. One useful console variable is this. If you know another solution for this issue or better solution, feel free to share it in the comments.